I decided I want to create a codeless coupon promotion and print up some cards to include in my packages so that I can give my buyers a discount and encourage them to be repeat buyers. So here's how I'm going to set up the codeless coupon. First, in my Seller Hub, I go to Marketing to Promotions. On this page, I'm going to create a promotion, and that's going to be a codeless coupon. Now, this page is really fussy, so don't be upset if it keeps giving you error messages and you have to keep changing things at first, because it likes to do that. I want to set up a promotion where if somebody comes back to my store with their special link and they buy 3 items, they're going to get a 20% discount on their order. So I'm going to say minimum quantity promotion. I'm going to say 3 items that they get a percentage discount, which is 20%. Preview so far, extra 20% off 3+ items, exclusive offer. Okay, looking good. Now you have to tell eBay what inventory is accepted or not accepted for this offer, and you can't just ignore this and assume it applies to your whole store. You have to fill out the section. So I'm going to create an inclusion rule. I'm going to say whole store, all inventory, but I am going to say that it has to cost at least $6 to qualify for this promotion. You also have to fill in this condition thing here. And obviously there's other choices you can make here. You can get really fancy, include and exclude things very granularly. You can even restrict inventory by SKUs, which is your secret label field, so you could put a special label on each item that you want to include or exclude. Describe items that are eligible. I'm going to say all brands and schedule my targeted offer. So I actually want this to run sort of indefinitely because I'm printing up cards that give this offer. I can also stop it if it's not going well for some reason. Buyer special. The start date is start immediately. The end date, I'll just choose something in the future and I'll stop it whenever I see fit if I don't want to do it anymore before that. Then I just hit submit. Magically, here's my return buyer special. What's my coupon code? I have no idea because it didn't tell me. I have to actually go here and look under view. Here it is. This is the full code. This is a shortened URL. I can now paste this wherever I want, digitally, or copy it and use it on a print piece, which is what I'm going to do. And I'll show you how I'm going to do that in my next video. Hope this was helpful. Please do subscribe and like, and thank you and take care.